Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to Lunar Classic video update for Wednesday 14th of September. I know this really is crap, the fact that Lunar Classic is falling down. Nobody want to see Lunar Classic going down. Everybody want to see Lunar Classic moving to the upside, but nothing ever goes up forever. The good thing about this is that to continue higher, we need to make the reds and we need to come down. So that's something that I think is only good about the market. Okay, so finally the technical target I told you about, 25,000 seems like it's gonna play. And yesterday I did tell you that, when we were down here, that it's gonna make a small relief to the upside, and it did perfectly did that. And I think that's the end of that relief to the upside. Still, the journey to the downside is pending because it's a technical head and shoulder target. So this was your ascending left shoulder here, the head, the right shoulder, the ascending neckline right there. And we talked about this one in detail as well, and I told you that's a distribution time. So here we are, and the only thing we did is now we're coming down, and you're still looking to come down to this blue line, which I'm going to take 24,236, right? So that's still a drop pending from there to there, to 18% or 19% more dump is actually pending. Now, I'm not saying that when it comes down here, it's going to bottom out. Just because it comes down here doesn't mean it cannot continue to the downside. You can still have more bearish patterns to go to the downside as well. So once again, as I said before, even when I said here about the falling wedge, the problem with people is that they like to hear what they like to hear. Just tell me it's going to go up because I've buy. Just tell me it's going to go down because I sold it. People like to hear. Now, this was a falling wedge, and I told people very clearly, don't bottom fish. Yes, it's going to come down, don't bottom fish. What it did is it came down, and it never really came above it, because I always say the conditions that you must break out of the falling wedge, back test, and hold the retest. It never even did that to begin with. And people just were interested in the fact that, oh, it's a falling wedge and it's going to go up. I mean, come on, this is trading, man. There are always checks that you must put in. And because I did actually try to trade this thing, and I got 0.6% loss. I mean, that's $6 out of $1,000 that I lost. And a lot of people are being down now by nearly, let's say, 25%, 26%, $260 already down. No, I didn't lose $260, man. I just lost $6 out of it. Because why? I put checks. There are confirmation that you must put in, and you must be using stop losses as well. That's my own thing. Do your own researches. Now, Lunar Classic, this is your technical target. What is going to happen after this? I don't really know. Let's dive into the daily. Maybe we can get some clues right now. So, yeah, here we are on the daily time frame, and I do expect, maybe the daily actually does have an answer. And the answer to this one is that it makes sense to come to the 55 EMA, actually come down to 21,000, okay? And that's where I do expect, Lunar Classic to come down to and backtest this level down here at 55 EMA. There is a possibility that this is a little bit of a flag here, and if you break that flag, then the next technical target basically goes from there to there, and we might be looking for a big discount and a drop down to 16,000 probably, if this is a bear flag that is playing out. But one thing is very, very clear. I do see it coming down probably to backtest the 55 EMA at 21,000, and you could possibly get a bounce back from here back to 21,000 or 31,000 back here. So yeah, this is my expectation. The 55 EMA is what I'm looking for right now, and that's pretty much it for this Lunar Classic update. Hope you enjoyed these updates, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.